Got a P0301 fault code? That means cylinder 1 is misfiring. But what's causing that and how do you fix it? Stick around and hit subscribe for more answers to common car issues. A misfire in cylinder 1 means the engine isn't firing properly on that cylinder. And that could hurt your fuel economy, performance, and even your catalytic converter. But wait, what causes a misfire in just one cylinder? It could be spark, fuel, or air. For cylinder 1, the most common issues are a worn out spark plug, a failing ignition coil, or a clogged or malfunctioning fuel injector. So, which one do you check first? Start with the spark plug. It's cheap and easy to replace and is often the issue. If not, then try the ignition coil. Move it from one cylinder to another. If the misfire moves to the other cylinder, then that was the culprit. Otherwise, it could be a clogged injector. Take out the injector, inspect it, and clean it. That could easily cause a misfire, especially if your car's mileage is high. After replacing the part, use your Carista scanner to clear the fault code. Then take a short drive and check again. If the misfire is gone, you're good. But if the P0301 comes back, it's time to visit a professional. Other possible causes include low engine compression, vacuum leaks, wiring or ECU problems, a faulty crank or cam sensor or other sensors, and all these issues are very difficult to troubleshoot at home by yourself. Trust us, it's better to have a mechanic take a look. So to recap, check the spark plug, test the ignition coil, replace or clean the fuel injector, verify the results by Carista, and if none of that works, then it's time to consult with a professional.